Hello everyone, today we will discuss about basic English conversation starters. Now let's start it. We will talk about general greetings. When we meet someone, how will you greet? You can say hello, good morning, or you can say good afternoon or good evening. Either you can say how are you? How are you going? Nice to meet you. It's pleasure to meet you. Or you can say how do you do? Now how will you reply to the greetings? Let's have a look. You can say, great, thanks. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. You can say, I'm glad to see you. How do you do? Another good option is, it's a pleasure to meet you. Or you can say, how do you do? You can also say, wonderful, thank you. These are few of the beautiful options of replying to the greetings. Try to use them in your conversation. Now let's see its introduction. Well, the best advice I could give you is to keep your introduction short and simple. The very first step is to mention your name. You should mention your name while introducing yourself. You can say, my name is, आपका जो भी नाम होगा वो आप ऐड करेंगे और इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे खुद को. नेक्स्ट इज नाइस टू मीट यू, आई एम, आपका जो भी नाम होगा वो आप बोलेंगे, नाइस टू मीट यू, आई एम रोहन और आई एम रिया. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ, आई एम रोहन. यू कैन से next is I am Riya or I am Priya. Another beautiful option while introducing yourself, you can use I would like to introduce myself. The last one is my name is Melissa but you can call me Mel. It is a very casual way to introduce yourself कि आप अपना नाम बताएंगे और आप मेंशन करेंगे कि आप मुझे मेल भी बोल सकते हैं. The next is introducing others. Now let's have a look over these options. रिया, हैव यू मेट सिमी? आप रिया और सिमी को एक दूसरे से इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं. दे नेवर मेट बिफोर. तो आप बोलेंगे, रिया क्या तुम सिमी से मिली हो? द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ राहुल मीट सिमी. सिमी, दिस इज़ राहुल. द अनदर वन इज़ राहुल, हैव यू मेट टीना? द नेक्स्ट इज़ रिया, प्लीज़ मीट सिमी. रिया और सिमी को आप एक दूसरे से इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं तो आप बोल रहे हैं, रिया प्लीज़ मीट सिमी. द नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट वन इज़ लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू सिमी. Now it's the time to expressing gratitude. Let's have a look over it. Expressing gratitude. Other than saying thanks, thank you, there are several other words for expressing your gratitude. Following are some of those, like, that's so kind of you. I really appreciate your help. Thanks a million for your help. I owe you a great deal. Thanks a million for your help. What you have done means a lot to me. The next is, thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. These are beautiful options to show your gratitude. Now the time of replying someone to thanks. How will you say? You can say, I'm glad that I can help you. You can either say, it's my pleasure. No big deal. You can also say, you are always welcome. My pleasure. Isn't it? These options are beautiful. Let's see what's next. It's congratulations. How will you congratulate someone? You can say fantastic. Well done. You can either say good job. You rock. Good going. You did it. Well, the next is keep up the good work. These gestures of congratulations say so much all by itself. Now let's have a look. Response to congratulations. How will you respond to someone when anyone congratulates you? You can say, thank you so much. It was so nice to hear from you. You can either say, thank you for your kind words. Oh my God, thank you. Well, this shows that you are surprised that someone said congratulations. The next is, I'm so grateful. It's a common way to show someone that you appreciate them, and it allows you to thank them for their kindness or their support. The last one is, thank you for believing in me. Well, it's a simple way to accept congratulations if they always believe in you and always supports you. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video and find it informative. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, so please hit subscribe button. And if you want to give me some suggestions or have something to say, please leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.